In this video, I will show you how to use hashtags on X to increase your reach. If this guide helps, please consider liking and subscribing so others can see it too. Use X's search bar to find trending hashtags. Once you have found hashtags that are relevant to you, create your post on X and only choose 1 to 3 hashtags. This gives your post better engagement. So if I found a hashtag happy that is trending, I could use it. Maybe I could also use another hashtag sun if that is trending. And the third one could be love. So these are 3 hashtags that are relevant to my post. Once I am ready, then I simply select post. If this video helped, don't forget to like and subscribe.